ghosts? Actually, I can talk to ghosts, and there are ghosts around here. Today is Halloween. I'm selling ice cream here, and ghosts are coming to buy ice cream. Just the thought of ghosts coming is making me a bit scared. What kind of ghost will come? I'll make some spooky ice creams. Welcome to my chilling ice cream shop. What kind of ice cream would you like?
Hello, Dalimi. Is there any ice cream that be a scary ghost?
A scary ghost?
Yes. As you can see, no one is afraid of me because I only wear a white cloth. It brings me down. I want to become a scary ghost and frighten people.
To be spooky? Glow in the dark would be good.
Glow in the dark?
Yes, having glow in the dark ice cream can make you a scarier ghost. I'm sure.
Okay, I'll take it.
Ta-da! Look at this glow in the dark ice cream. It's only sold in my chilling ice cream shop.
It turns me into a scarier ghost, right? Okay?
Wow, your body glows in the dark.
I'm shining for real. Amazing. Are you scared of me?
Yes, you look much scarier than before. Wherever you go, you're going to look scary now.
Thank you. Now I can be brave. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, Dalimi. I've heard a lot about you.
Welcome to my chilling ice cream shop. What kind of ice cream do you want?
Actually, I don't have a face, so I can't see. I want to see the look of scared on people's faces. Can you create my face?
Of course, why not? Wait a moment. Ta-da! It's eyeball ice cream. If you eat, you will see.
Really? Where is it? Oh, I got it. Wow, I can see clearly now.
Now you have eyes.
Let's go scare some people. Thank you so much, Dalimi.
Now look ahead carefully and walk around. Okay?
Of course. Thank you, Dalimi. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Welcome to my chilling ice cream shop. What kind of ice cream do you want?
Hello, Dalimi. I ate some candy and guess what? All my fangs fell out. Boo! Can you give me new sharp fangs?
Oh my, Dracula without fangs is like the earth without the sun. Ta-da! Here's pointy fang ice cream.
Oh, this will be perfect for me. Wow, I become a scary Dracula again. Grr.
Oh my god, scared.
Hey, thank you, Dalimi.
Phew. Be careful. If you lose your fangs again, come to my chilling shop.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Who was the scariest ghost you met today? Actually, there's another ghost here. Guess what? That's right. I'm the ghost. Just kidding. But if you need some spookiness, come to my chilling ice cream shop. Bye.
No. I don't want to take a bath.
Phew. What should I do if Dalkong doesn't want to take a bath? Right. Why didn't I think of that? I can make bath time interesting for Dalkong with some special things. Let's get started. Abracadabra. Yep. Ta-da! Special bath time for Dalkong. I think Dalkong would be curious.
Wow. What's all this?
I prepared it just for you. How is it? Isn't it fun?
Yes, I want to play right away. Where should I go first?
How about the water beads bathtub I prepared?
It feels so good. It's soft and moist. What did you fill it here?
I filled it with chocolate with a sweet and delicious smell. Quickly come in.
The lovely smell of chocolate puts me in a good mood. Oh, but you know what? It's just, I really want to eat it. Oh, it's so much fun, and I'm full. I should play with something else. Wow, you filled this with blocks that I love.
I knew you would like it.
The sound of the Lego blocks clicking together is so nice. But strangely, I feel like falling asleep. Oh no! The sound was so nice that I fell asleep. I still feel refreshed. Let's check out the last bathtub. Huh? Isn't this just water?
It's just colored water. Try going in. If Dalkong goes into the sticky slime, she'll be really surprised.
What is this? It's so sticky and won't come off my body.
Right? That's slime. It feels like sticky snot, doesn't it?
I won't sit back.
Calm down, Dalkong. It's just play. Oops, I'm sorry, Dalkong. Don't come to me.